Day 5, Business 5, AI receptionist for cleaning services. A lot of cleaning companies lose good clients, not because their cleaning isn't great, but because the phone doesn't get answered in time. Missed calls and slow follow ups quietly cost you new bookings every month. That's why I built an AI receptionist that works 24/7. It answers every call, books cleaning jobs automatically, and follows up without you needing to hire more staff. I'm a J, an AI automation engineer, building 100 AI receptionists for 100 businesses. This one is made especially for cleaning services. If you want something like this in your business, let's talk. Book a free call, link in the bio and in the description.
Hello, am I speaking with Sarah?
Yeah, myself, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. This is Cindy calling from Sparkle Pro Cleaning Services. Is now a good time for a quick call?
Yes.
You recently requested a cleaning service. I'm calling to confirm a few details and help schedule your cleaning appointment. I see you're interested in a home cleaning service. Is that correct?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, that's correct.
Perfect. What type of cleaning are you looking for? Regular maintenance cleaning, deep cleaning, or move-in/move-out cleaning?
It's a deep cleaning.
Got it. Thank you for sharing. Is this for a house, apartment, or office space?
Yeah, like I recently moved in a new house, so I just want to, do a deep cleaning to my house.
Perfect. Noted. Roughly how many bedrooms and bathrooms does the space have?
It's a 3 BHK.
Great, that helps a lot. Our cleaning team operates in New York. That location works for you, right?
Yeah.
Great, noted. I have 2 cleaning slots available for Thursday, January 15th, 2026. Which one works better for you? Option 1, 10 a.m., option 2, 3 p.m.
3 p.m. works for me.
Just to clarify, the available time slots are 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. on January 15th, 2026. Which of these times would you prefer for your deep cleaning appointment?
Uh, I said like 3 p.m. works for me.
Great. I've scheduled your cleaning appointment for January 15th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Just to confirm, I have your details as email sarah.j.onsen92@gmail.com, phone plus 1-646 529 1834. Is that correct?
Yep.
Let me quickly confirm everything before we finish. Service, deep cleaning property type, house bedrooms, bathrooms, 3 BHK location. New York appointment date and time, January 15th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Email sarah.j.onsen92@gmail.com, phone plus 1-646 529 1834. Is everything correct?
Yep.
Perfect. You'll receive a confirmation message shortly with all the details. Thank you for your time, Sarah. We look forward
Okay.
to making
Have
your
a good day.
space spotless. Thank you again, Sarah. Have a wonderful day. We look forward to serving you soon.